Good morning, sweeties. It's Samantha with Sammy Sense. So I'm about to hop on the scale because I got on the scale probably like a couple weeks ago. I want to see if anything has went down, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is because we started from today, trying to get serious. So let's get on the scale now and see where I'm at.
Who do you do it for? What do you do it for? Just the applause, wanting it all, say what you want. Need a big stage, wanting the lights, needing the fame. I know you're working hard, don't wanna take a break. Every second you waste, you count it up and count it up again. Counting it up and counting it up again. Yeah. Asking will I make it? Pray before the day ends. I wanna see my name in lights, have them scream my name, and I wanna live right. I know it's my time, stopped at a red light. I'm tryna go. If I can't have it all, then I don't want it. If I can't have it all, then why am I trying? Why am I trying? Why am I? You wanna party with me, I wanna get my mom everything.
Ooh, child. I'm gonna try to get this thing in 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna probably go to the leg press.
Don't wanna take a break. Every second you waste, you count it up and count it up again. Counting it up and counting it up again. Yeah. I know a lot don't make it, but that doesn't really faze me. Leave it all up to me. I'm writing up all my dreams, writing up all my, pulling up to the scene, telling you what I mean, what I mean. I wanna live right, I know it's my time, stopped at a red light. I'm tryna go. If I can't have it all, then I don't want it. If I can't have it all, then why am I trying? Why am I trying? Yeah, running you up a back, giving you this and that. I promise you the whole world, gonna give all that I have back.
Legs are sore. They feel like little noodles.
Asking me where I've been, taking all that you give, lending me everything. Tell you I wanna live.
Clean and finish, you gotta write everything down.
I wanna live. I wanna feel. I wanna give.
I'm gonna go to the leg press. If there's nobody over there. Okay. So let's see. You're supposed to keep with your walk with your mask on. I'm in the other little zone now. So this machine I'm about to get on now. I don't know what to sit on. Oh, child, that cramp was. I got cramp like a motherfucker. Trying to just get up there. Oh, my legs all out whack. But God, I love this little leg press. Oh, you can definitely feel this all in your stomach. I gotta wait for these cramps. Yeah, I gotta wait till these cramps in my stomach go down before I try to do a leg press. Cause y'all, it was a damn workout trying to put my feet up there. Got sweat rolling all in my eyes. First day of gym chronicles. Oh, child. Yeah, this waist trainer. Oh, it feel good. Like it ain't the problem. It's just my damn. I ain't worked out so long. I definitely got stomach cramps. I'm trying to let those go down first. Then I will get to pumping. I love the way sweat look when you're working out on your face. It makes it look just so pure. This cramp just came back.
These days I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No, these days I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. No, I don't really wanna talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up to one up just to show up in front of your friends. I don't really wanna meet you out just to have something to post about. Lately I get real exhausted by the thought of having to pretend that I had a good time with someone who's just interested in what I got and not who I am. I ain't got the energy. No, 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 for all this time that I'm wasting, spent on the surface.
Call it a day.
I don't wanna fake it, cause I
do a little
realize
workout
I ain't
first day.
got the energy.
Oh, he ain't trying to do too much. Oh, when I stood up, y'all, my stomach crunch time. You just wet it. Oh, okay. They did have paper towels. I was on the wrong side. Oh, okay. All right, y'all. I'm fucking tired. Ready to go home. About to go home. Planet Fitness did not defeat me today, but I did get a workout in. Y'all hope I ain't walking with my ass out. Because when I was on the bike, it felt like my shorts ripped, or my pants ripped. But I don't feel anything. So, and if I do, I'm walking out. So, get a good view.
My senses, when I'm blessed with your presence.